Hi, it's Dr. Danyo from North Atlanta Hair Restoration Alpharetta, Georgia. We have an exciting case today. We're taking 1,000 grafts from the chest and putting it into the donor site. Now, he had undergone multiple strip procedures in the past. He had also had the old plug surgeries, which left a lot of scarring in the donor site. And instead of taking from the head donor to place into the head, we thought we'd save that and use another donor site, being the chest. We considered using the beard, but felt that it might be a little bit too coarse for the back of the head. And the good thing about his donor site in the chest is that he can actually grow the chest hair fairly long, more than about 1.5 inches, and it's a really good coarseness. So anyway, we've got a great story to tell with some great images and video. Well, we did it. We covered up that scar. What'd you think of the whole process?
I thought it was spectacular. I couldn't believe how easy it was. I could feel the same that when I first came in as I do right now. So I feel great, actually. I thought it was going to be a big deal, and it turned out to be hardly anything.
That's
great. So yeah, it was a piece of cake. I was very impressed with the staff and with the Dr. Danyo.
Yeah.
2 thumbs up.
Well,
2 thumbs up.
I'm looking forward to these final results.
Yeah, and I'll be back. Definitely be back. Another 5 months, I'll be back out and do some finishing touches, and I'll be good to go.
Awesome.
Yeah, I've been putting this off for 20 years, and I don't know why I wasted that time. I could have had it fixed. So thank you, doctor. I appreciate everything you've done.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Especially if someone who has had prior or multiple surgeries in the past with significant scarring of the donor site, we have solutions that can help. You can reach us at nahairrestoration.com, and you can call the office at 678-845-7521. Thank you.